Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another video of Python course for beginners, and in this video we will learn about string methods. So what is methods? Methods are the functions that are built in Python. Their code are already created in Python, and we just use them and operate on strings to make some changes in the string. But when we use methods, the original string never changes. It just returns a new string that we used, that we received from a string method. So let's create a string name, just text. This is dear programmer. Now there is a method, there is a function that is a dot upper. So this is a function or method that is used to capitalize the string of characters of a string. So when we use string methods, we write a variable name and dot, then we use method upper. So this is a way to write string methods. We just write a string variable name and then we write a dot and then we write a function or method. So I have used a upper function. So it's showing written a copy of a string converted to uppercase. It will return the uppercase or it will capitalize all letters in a string. So let's print this. So this is showing as above, but it's not a change. That I told you that string methods does not change the original string. It is just written a new string. So we have to save it in a new variable. New text. So the changes will be saved to the new variable and we will print this. So let's run this. So the string is in uppercase. So you can also use this in a print function. So you can use this it will also give the same result. But when you again print text, it will not change. Original string will not change. So you can see original string is the same. So there is another method that is capitalize. So capitalize will the capital every word of a string, every first letter of a string. So you can see here it's only capitalize the first letter of the string. So if you have another sentence, let's run this. So you can see here it will only change the first letter of a string. So doesn't matter you have any sentences or paragraph, it will only change the first letter of a string. And let's see another that is case folder. So when you hover on that, it will show you what it does. It returns a version of a string suitable for caseless comparison. So let's run this. It will show the string in a lowercase. So if I write dear, so this function will change the case of a string in a lowercase. So let's remove this and text a variable name, and then you write dot. So it will show you the all functions or methods that a string support. So you can use any of them. So if I use strip, so it will remove the extra spaces in a string. Sorry, you have to give the braces. So it's removing the extra space. It will remove the extra spaces. So you can see here it's removing these spaces that I have given. So return a copy of a string with leading and trailing white space removed. So if you have any white space in a string before or after the string, it will remove these. So let's take another function method, that is count. So count takes argument. So if I write a, so it will return how many times a is repeated in the string. Let's remove this. So it's showing 2 times. So let's check. One and 2. So a is a capital, so it will not check it. So if I write capital, then it will show 1 because there is a 1 capital A in the string. So let's check another. So you can also use them and you practice them, and you will run. You have to learn these yourself because there is many of them. So I can't explain you all of these. So you have to learn yourself. So let's find, that is find. So if I write I. So when you use a finder, it will check the I in the string and it will return the index number where that I is. So in simple, it will return the position of a letter in a string, in index number of a string of a letter. So let's check I is at number 2. So index start with 0, 0, 1, 2. So I is 2. And remember, it will only search for or find only the first letter, not the all letters in the string. So there is a 4i in the string, but it will find only the first one. So if I write S, so it will return 3 because S is at number 3. It will not check or find these others. So let's check another, that is a boolean. It will return a boolean value. So if I use this is digit, then it will return a boolean value. So if the string is all string has all digits or numbers, then it will return true, or otherwise it will return false. Let's run this. So it's showing false because the string is not numbers, these are the characters or alphabet letters. So if I write any something number, then it will show you the return true. So it's showing true. And is lower, so it will check the if the string is a lowercase. So this is showing a false because the all letters in the string are not in a lowercase. So I will lower the R string, then let's run this. So it's showing true because the all letters in the strings are true. So that's all for today. There is many methods and functions, so you can try them, practice them yourself. So that's all for today. We will learn more about Python in next videos.